Hi guys, this is part 2 of a two-parter, so if you haven't seen the first one, go back and watch that first. It's called Draw Some Fights with Ed Stockham. That'll be part 1. This is part 2. If you have watched the other one, enjoy this. It's a brilliant finale. See you at the table. Awesome. Right, what do we do next?
Right. So, next we have a swig of tea.
Good stuff. I have some water here.
Or water, or other drinks exist.
Yeah, we recommend orange juice, apple juice.
Orange juice is great. Juice is good for the skin.
It is good for the skin, yeah. Steer away from poison and toilet water. Not recommended.
Yeah. No, yeah. Well, it depends what kind of toilet water. You can get that.
Okay, if you've got a particularly nice toilet.
Water, maybe. Sparkling poison.
La-di-da.
It's a 5. Okay, here we go. 1.
Just time now to have a look at another one of your drawings. This is from Scarlett and it's the Scribble game. That is absolutely brilliant. Well done. Cheers.